All right, all the plants are in the ground. All I gotta do is water and then mulch and then water some more. And
you can see back there, you guys, I started my little 4x6 garden over here on the left, and then I decided I got the confidence because things are growing from seed, right? And so I'm gonna extend it along this kind of back fence a little bit, and I'm not gonna grow much stuff from seed in that area. I'm gonna go and get some plants from Home Depot, Walmart, like whatever, wherever I see some. Maybe I'll stop at a nursery today too. Have some topsoil already. I'm gonna lay down all the topsoil. I need to go get some more compost and maybe some peat moss, and then I'll go get plants and start filling all of this in.
my gardening outfits are really not the cutest at all. I'm literally wearing a t-shirt and some sweatpants, but I tried to color coordinate because I do have to run some errands. I do have to go to Walmart and Home Depot sometime today and then get back in the garden. And I saw some really cute gardening shoes at Aldi that I think I'm gonna go get. They looked like Crocs, but they were just so cute, and they're called garden clogs. But you know, at Aldi's, like, things come and go like every week, so if I do want to go get them, I need to go get them this weekend. But what to do right now is make a to-do list to stand by as I am working outside. As I'm working outside today, because I tend to like jump around and do a bunch of things, and I need this to be organized because I do not want to be outside all day. All right, to-do list done. So first thing, we're gonna edge the back. Actually, that's not right. The first thing is we're gonna make a border, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do that. And then we'll edge, and then we'll go down the list. Now that I have my hose laid out, like this is exactly what I want the edge to look like. So I'm gonna go around with my shovel and make like a little trench along the side, and then go from there. The soil that I just picked up, I'm gonna like put it in the lawn where it's not level. I was gonna get topsoil to fill it in, but I might as well like use this soil. So I'm gonna put it in some holes that we have in our backyard. I'm using buckets because I don't have a wheelbarrow. A little close-up of the edging. I'm gonna go through and try to get a little bit more grass out of there. This is good. There are no gaps anywhere. So I'm going to water all of this down really well, make sure like the cardboard is soaking wet, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some topsoil, and we're good to go. And looking at it now, this is like a huge space. So I gotta figure out how to fill all this in, you know, once I start planting and stuff, but I'm excited. The outside too. Like the back, should I put an edge back there? So all this right here, I plan on just pulling that grass, but I don't know. All of that was just topsoil. I think I'm gonna do is buy compost and manure to kind of fill in these gaps, and that's better for the garden anyways. But I'm just like really looking. This is a big space. This is a lot. Let's get some different angles. Let's go back here. Are my assistants following me? My one assistant is. But I don't
don't know if you guys think so, but this is a big space. And let me go get my plants that I do have and I'll bring them up here. And I think those bags in the back, I'm gonna lay them down and put rocks on top of them just to try to kill like the grass back there. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. So I'm gonna do that, and then I think I'm gonna eat and then head over to Home Depot or Walmart.
Okay. It's 10 o'clock, by the way. 10 o'clock on a Saturday. So we're getting a lot of things done today. I want to like be in relax mode by like 3. No, by like 4. So like it's kind of like a work day today, but like an at-home work day, which I love, which is fun for me. But yeah, by like 3:34, I just want to like read my book or watch a movie or something, and then do my full skincare routine tonight. I would do my everything shower. So I'm at Home Depot and I'm like trying not to go crazy. Like I made a plan, but now I'm seeing just so many things that I want to try. Like I want to try the sweet potato vine, but I don't know. Should I invest in buying annuals and they're not going to come back next year? Like they're all going to die and I kind of feel some type of way. But I am going to put these hydrangeas in the front. I got 2 plants. I'm going to put them like next to the steps, I think. The stairway. And then these are perennials. I'm gonna put these in the back with the Texas sage. This is Skullcap. And then I have some of these lamb's ear here, and then petunias, and I'm gonna break these apart. There's a couple different plants in here. And these I got last year. They're just so beautiful. This is weeds. Is that supposed to be in here? These are literally weeds. Or maybe they're new plants, I don't know. But I love these last year. I propagated some, but a lot of them died. I love, love, love these. I still have to get compost. And my little cart is all filled. I need to chill. I'm focused. I'm forcing myself to leave right now because this is what we're looking like. This is easily $150. And I did give myself a budget for garden things this month. And this is the budget right here. So let's go. These are only $8.99. So I think I'm gonna get these ones. Yeah, I'm gonna get these ones. They're gonna get dirty, but should I get... Back up. They're cute, but they're not that comfortable. Ow! That was a lot of moving, but got my gloves back on. I also got some fertilizer, and truthfully, I do not know that much. I know that there's like a proportion, like you need 5 parts nitrogen, 10 parts something, right? Nitrogen, phosphorus, calcium is 315-0. Strong roots, bigger blooms. That sounds good to me, so I'm just gonna sprinkle some of this. Oh wait, let me read the instructions first. It was growing. It grew a little. So now I really need to figure out where I want everything to go. I'm most worried about the Texas sage that I got, like these huge bushes. So the one that I just pulled out from the front, I'm pretty sure it's a different variety than these 2 I just got from Home Depot. And that's fine. I'll just put the one in the middle and then the 2 on the sides. And I'm gonna try to put them like farther back because they are gonna grow into like 5-6 feet, like really kind of wide bushes. And I wanna be able to put things like under and around it.
before I start making holes and everything, I splint so I look like petunia to me, but I guess they're called Vinca. I split those plants into 4, so there's 2 white ones and 2 pink ones. So I've got that. I've got some lamb's ear here. I also split that plant. And then I've got the pinky Vinca. And then I have some Phlox, and Phlox are perennial. So these 3 are all annual. Phlox is perennial. More of the Vinca, lamb's ear Vinca, lamb's ear Vinca, lamb's ear, Phlox perennial. Those are Skullcaps. So I have that. Those are Skullcaps in the back. And then again, there's my Texas sage here, and here. I'm gonna make some holes, some little adjustments, and then we're good to go back here. And then I'm gonna water. Deep hole. You're supposed to do twice as deep, twice. I want to for my little perennials that are gonna be here forever, you know, like way after I'm gone too. So let me fill this back up. What is this called again? All right, all the plants are in the ground. All I gotta do is water and then mulch and then water some more, and I am good to go for today. It still looks messy back here, but this is what we are looking like. I honestly might not clean up until tomorrow, but I am gonna put those 2 bags of mulch down. Whew, I'm out of breath, but it's 4:11. It's like about the time I want it to be done, which is cool. And that is that for now. Today has been a day. It's truly been something, truly. I'm gonna go inside and take a shower and see if I feel like doing anything else today. Probably not though, but that is how I made my little garden from scratch. Thank you. I haven't looked in a mirror all day since this morning, so I'm interested to see how much dirt I have on my face.